Alright folks, today we're going to be diving into the world of Tesla accessories with a closer look at the Tesla Model 3 Highland 18-inch Überturbine Wheel Covers by EV-Base. These stylish upgrades not only give your Tesla a sleek aerodynamic vibe, but they also come with some serious practical perks. Now don't get me wrong, the base Tesla Model 3 hubcaps work just fine, they're very functional, they get the job done. But let's be real here. They're a little on the basic side when it comes to looks, and they can look a little worn over time. So if you're looking to take your Tesla's aesthetic to the next level without going broke, you're in the right place. In this video, we're gonna break down the great features of these wheel covers and show you how to get them onto your ride in no time. First things first, these Überturbine wheel covers are a perfect match for your Tesla Model 3 Highland's 18-inch wheels, giving your car an extra upgrade without having to take out a second mortgage. They're cool, unique, and definitely not something you'll see all the time on your daily drives. My personal favorite part are the wheel cap options they have. You can go full-on Tesla mode with the matching logo or change things up with a pop of secondary color. The Photon wheel covers have a nice matte finish that matches the Tesla's modern futuristic vibe perfectly. Plus, they're designed to reduce drag and improve efficiency, so you'll actually get a little boost in range. And the best part, these covers are built to handle whatever Mother Nature throws at them, so you can count on them looking great for a long time. So enough waiting, let's get these guys installed. Inside the package, you'll find the 4 wheel covers and an extra bag with a long rubber strip designed to be applied around the back edge of the wheel. There are also 4 blank caps included for the center if you don't want to use the Tesla logo caps, which heads up are not included in the wheel cover package. They're sold separately, but they're not very expensive. Before you slap these on your wheels, flip the hubcap over and apply the rubber strip. Just peel off the backing and carefully stick it all the way around the edge. It's not required, but trust me, it helps prevent curb rash by reducing friction. Now peel off the blue strip on the back of the cap, line it up with the center of the cover, and pro tip, line up the bottom of the T with the valve slot and pop it on. It fits like a glove and you're almost ready to roll. Now the beauty of these wheel covers are how ridiculously easy they are to install. Seriously, you could do it in your sleep. The standard Photon wheel covers just pop right off. Start loosening the old hubcap little by little until it's loose enough to pull off. And yes, brace yourself for the shock of seeing how dirty and worn these old ones are. And now grab your shiny new EV-Base cover, line it up with the valve, and just press it on. You'll hear a satisfying snap that might wake your neighbors when it locks into place. Then just go around the edges and make sure it's snug and secure. And that's it, you're done. I'll admit, I'm not always the handiest person when it comes to car stuff, so I really appreciate how easy this process was. I never thought I'd be someone who'd get into car accessories, but after seeing how amazing these wheel covers look and how easy they were to install, I might just be hooked. So if you're looking to give your Tesla a fresh look without emptying your wallet, check out the link below and use the code BKEV18 to snag an extra 18% off these wheel covers and any other awesome products by EV-Base. Seriously, they have a huge selection of affordable accessories for all different types of Tesla models. Big thanks for EV-Base for sending me these wheel covers and sponsoring this video. So if you love Tesla, tech, filmmaking, gear reviews, all that fun stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.